I'm Mike Capicola. I serve as the NEC channel manager for the service provider unit. Until now, 10 gigabit circuits were only available via fiber. NEC has developed the iPasso-Link EX Advanced to solve this problem. The EX Advanced is a lightly licensed wireless link that can be scaled up to 10 gigabits per second, offering fiber-like speeds. The EX Advanced is a perfect complement to your existing fiber network. With fiber-like speeds, it can be deployed quickly and easily, allowing you to complete your fiber ring or even just make a connection right across the street. For example, a healthcare campus can have fiber delivered to the main building, but have to use legacy technology to connect the other buildings within that campus environment. That can really be a bottleneck on the network. Now, the customer can connect all these multiple buildings and locations via 10 gig circuits with super fast speeds, being able to transfer very large files and share internet, and be able to usually have an installation completed in 1 to 3 days. Whereas fiber can be a lot longer, sometimes weeks, sometimes months, as well as the cost for trenching and the needs for permits. This scenario can be utilized in really any type of campus environment. Anywhere really where fiber is not available or the conduit may be full and it's not available to pull or provide any more fiber connectivity. Many of today's 60 and 80 gigahertz products are limited to 1 gigabit paths and are becoming saturated. The EX Advanced is capable to be scaled up to 10 gigabits per second in a single radio. And with multiple radios, it can actually be scaled up to 20 gigabits per second. So being able to provide the customer with multi-gigabit speeds in a single platform. This can all be accomplished over single 10 gig ports. The EX Advanced with 10 gigabits of capacity is a game changer. You no longer have to compromise capacity needs when using wireless. The innovation of NEC's EX Advanced is in its simplicity. Basically, you need 2 radios that can see each other, a lightly licensed channel that can normally be acquired within 48 hours, and a single fiber pair. Until now, customers and service providers' choice of 80 gigahertz manufacturers have been limited to smaller manufacturers with limited resources and not as much longevity into that market space. Now with NEC, with a company that has over 50 years of offering wireless expertise, delivering a 10 gigabit solution that has been field proven and so reliable that NEC backs it with its standard 3-year warranty. Customers now have something that they can count on. Thanks for taking the time to view this video. If you'd like more information, please visit us at necam.com/serviceprovider.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.